Welcome back to another back testing video. Today will be day 8. Um, my hair's a little cut, so bear with me right now. Um, yeah, today was Friday. I smacked a $500 trade across 5 accounts, so that's 2,500, and then 1,000 on an Alpha Zero account that I somehow had. I don't even remember trading that shit, but yeah. So pretty good day, a really good day. Today I did get a payout for you guys that that be podcast watching and shit. It's on my Instagram. Um, for the amount, that's up to you to think about me. Whether you think I'm a shitty trader, whatever payout amount you want, I don't care. You think what you want. I hate pocket watchers, so if you're a pocket watcher in my DMs, bro, just get the fuck out of here, bro. One thing I do hate is people that mentally masturbate about success. Like, bro, what are you doing as a man, bro? Like, lot the fucking. Like, what? Oh, yeah, bro, how much money did you make, bro? Oh, yeah, how much money did you make, bro? Bro, no, bro. Take your own action and mentally masturbate about your own success, bro. Like, fuck. I hate. Alright, enough talking. But yeah, payout on a Friday. Coolio. Boom, boom, boom. Got my Friday prayer at 1. So today's honestly a very good day. Very good day to be alive. And yeah, let's just get straight into bad testing. Enough yapping. Energy drink of the day is my favorite. It's the Orange Alani. So good, bro. Honestly, today's such a beautiful day. They're my favorite energy drink. Man, life is dope when you're locked in. And you locked in with God. It's just, bro, it's what life is about. So let's go to the next day. I don't know what the fuck this is doing. Let's get her going. Let's get the charts brewing. Kind of shitty price action. We are at all-time highs, so that is kind of shitty. We are retracing off this daily BPR, which I would like to see a good reaction off of. So definitely bullish. I would be wrong to say if I was bearish. So yeah, a lot of accumulation right here on the hourly. But yeah, we are reacting off this daily gap pretty much into premium almost perfectly, I think. Yeah, perfectly. So yeah, definitely want to see a good reaction off of it, which you can already see. And there was a 15-minute aligned PDRA with your entry, so this would be kind of a swing trade, but let's see if there's SMT at those highs. Okay, so there's not, so that's actually unlucky, but we'll see what we get intraday. Yeah, definitely bullish on the day for sure. Equal highs and yeah. Let's get to open. Okay, this is open, manipulating higher. Let's see what we have. Hourly, no. 30-minute, no. 15-minute. We have this gap right here that we're retracing back into. See what we do. Okay, clear manipulation. 50% of this rejection wick. See, we just start moving down. Okay, nice. Move down. Want to see us maybe tap into this 30-minute BPR as a POI to start reversing back up. Or we just inverse this 15-minute and just get going quick. So we'll see what we do. See if there's any news, because price is kind of wicky. Okay, just jobless claims at 8:30. So nothing, should be a good day. Okay, so ES is retracing off this 30-minute, reacting off this 30-minute, I mean. It's also an hourly. See if NQ has the hourly as well. No, not really, but there's a volume imbalance there that it wanted to tap. So hopefully it can make our move down so we can make our move up. Okay. Missed my BPR by like, see if we have any SMTs. Okay, so we have SMTs right here at this 30-minute gap, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we do. But that was this candle. Oh shit. Let's see if we could just tap it on. Yeah, price is very wicky. This is disgusting. Okay, so boom. I guess if we change in state here, this is valid. And we do have pretty much equal highs here would be break even, and I would look to take TP around here. Okay. However, it's already 11 a.m., so I'm not liking it. Yeah, just very wiki. Yeah. Yeah, let's join the next day. This is not a good price action. But yeah. Okay, creeping up to all-time highs again. Kind of annoying, but can't complain. We have this open 4-hour right here that we could create. Okay, clearly bullish. We do have SMTs at these highs. Sorry if I sound a little sick. I got allergies, bro. It's bad. But yeah. Okay, let's go to open. Okay, more SMT. Yeah, ES hasn't swept that. Price action is very bad, I'll be honest. But not gonna complain. So here we have this 4-hour sweep. Okay, kind of confused right now a little bit. So I'll just go. Okay, tapping into this. No, 30-minute. No, let's see if ES tapped that. No. Okay. I want us to tap this. So this 30-minute right here is also that 30-minute. So we get SMT with ES. Okay, no. Okay, now we get SMT. See, we have SMT at these internal highs. No SMT, so we have equal highs as of now. I want to see us sweep all this out. Yeah. Not liking how price is moving. Might be another skip day. I'd say we are due for a dump considering all this trendline liquidity. When? I'm not sure. But I could definitely expect this to start moving quicker to the downside. If we had a liquidity sweep here off this basically open high, I would look for shorts, but I don't think we'll get it. We have this open 4-hour that ES is approaching to quicker, so we'll see we get SMT at that. That would be my next POI. But yeah, not getting a lot of. Okay, so we do have SMT now. So we'll see if this is valid if we inverse this 5-minute. Okay, ideally it wanted to tap itself, so that's good. We have this inverse and then boom. See if there's a 15-minute that's created. No, yeah, this looks good. Should look good. Okay, manipulated one more time. Okay, and yeah, we're dumping. But still valid for longs, I'll be honest, because this is pretty weak to the downside, let alone we still need to inverse gaps. Whoa. So yeah, that dump was kind of obvious. We were due for that shit, like I said. Excuse me. But yeah, there wasn't really any entries, no liquidity sweeps, just equal highs, kind of annoying, but yeah. Let's go to the next day. Okay. Tapping this 4-hour BPR. Okay. See, we get a reaction. Ideally, next POI for longs is definitely this hourly. Should be a turtle soup. But ES has this open gap on the hour with basically a change in state, so this looks like a good POI for reversal. But let's see what we do at open. See if we can even use. Today's Monday. Monday no news. I'm skipping respectfully. Whoa. Hey there. Hey there, Drake. So yeah, back to all-time highs. Okay, so we just gotta work with that. A lot of equal highs on ES, so I'm hoping ES starts to move back up quicker, so it can catch up. But yeah, we do have SMTs at all-time highs. No, I don't think it might cause a reversal, but normally when we have SMTs at all-time highs, both pairs kind of catch up pretty quickly. So we'll see what happens, but obviously bullish. Okay, hourly gap right here. We have an hourly breaker / change of state, whatever you want to call it. See, we just tap that and get going. Okay, so now we have, I think, SMT. Yep. SMT with yes. Opened, manipulated, lowered. See what happens. Okay, manipulated even lower, which is good. See, we get any models that. Okay, 5 minutes. So I think the 3 minute is next thing we got. Making sure there's no 15-minute gap. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this looks good. Good close above. RR might be a little bad though. $21 points. What the hell? Yeah, I'm not liking this. We'll just let it play out. How did I edged anyways? Oh no, would I got filled? Would I have got filled? I don't know, maybe. But yeah. Right idea. Didn't even tap. That's funny. But we do have SMT if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I'd rather play this to the downside, to be honest. Yeah, we do have SMTs at these highs. So boom, SMT with the internal sweep. Okay, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. And then we do have kind of it's pretty bullish structure though. I want to see another sweep then. Damn, I'm not finding anything I like, bro. 4 hour. Now we have an open 4 hour. That ES tap. So yeah, definitely don't start looking for longs. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, do we get a change in state? Let's see if this is even. Okay, so boom, SMT. These charts look nothing alike, but okay. SMT here, inverse gap right here. Change in state right now, actually. Okay. So boom, right here. I'm just not liking the RR it's giving me. I can't even get a 1 to 2, bro. Not even a 1 to 1, bro. I'm gonna make my stop tighter, 15 points, and then I'll just hope this runs. Get a quick 1 to 2, but it does look good. I don't know why price is moving this weirdly, but we'll take a shot at it for sure. Okay, break even obviously would be right here, internal high. So got filled, boom. Watch out for S&T at those internal highs, which I think NQ is a lot stronger. So, okay, boom. Cool, 1 to 2. Not sure why points are so small. Like this is 30-point move, but very clean. 4 hour, clearly bullish. Obviously, you don't want to short in all-time highs unless you're short into a PD array. But we have this open hourly that we retrace into 50%. It was also a 10 a.m. open low with SMT with ES. Okay, boom, SMT right here inside this 4 hour gap. Okay, 1 hour inverse fair value gap, change in state right here, boom, tap, and then yeah, just go. quit 1 to 2, only because there's nothing to the left of us. So we'll see where this goes. But yeah, this is probably rip. But good trade. Let's go to the next day. So far, 1-0 on the session. Yeah. Okay. So right now, reacting off this hourly BPR, 50% of it. Creating pretty bullish, a bearish structure. We did close inside this 4 hour. If there's a daily gap that's unfilled, I would look to. Okay, so we have a lot of equal lows here. If we have high impact news, okay, so nothing on the 20th. Okay, so I would be open to shorts, considering we have this obvious, I think, data wick. That has to be a data wick. Kind of, whatever it is, definitely targeting there. Like I said, ES is a lot weaker. On the hourly, we did change in state after inversing these gaps, so bearish order flow. We are currently in this hourly breakaway gap, so I want to see this get respected. We actually have SMT with it already. So yeah, let's just see if we can manipulate a little bit higher during open. As you can see, we have obvious trendline liquidity that we want to get swept. So yeah, shorts are looking pretty easy, pretty free. Just a matter of if we get manipulation to the upside in order to grab the shorts. So we did our analysis. Now we just gotta let the market do what it wants to do. Okay, so market open right here. So far manipulating up like I want to see. Okay, boom, manipulate up into this probably 30-minute open now. We had this 30-minute change in state. So let's see if we can tap that. But once we start moving down, okay, or whoa, okay, now we're just moving up, crazy. Not expected at all, but it still could be manipulation. So now we're kind of moving down. Only problem is our models are too far into premium or discount, whatever you want to say. For shorts, it would be too much in premium. We wanted a discounted price. But there might be a 30-second that I wouldn't mind. It's definitely a lot riskier, for sure. But let's see what's on the 5-minute. Okay, so we have pretty bullish, but yeah, clear manipulation. Okay, so I don't know why we manipulated so much. Okay, so I'll take a 5-minute. Damn, bro. Yeah, let's see if I would even got tapped on that 30-second entry. Nah. If we had a 1-minute gap here, that would be perfect. But yeah, obvious drawn liquidity. Unlucky. Excuse me again. Holy shit. But yeah, unlucky. Didn't give us an entry. See if we get maybe a retracement to a 5-minute and continue lower, because we still have that data wick or obvious wick. Okay, so 10 a.m. opens, manipulating higher. So yeah, definitely still looking for shorts. 15-minute opened. Okay, didn't. Okay, we'll see. We get a 2-minute entry. If we get S&T at this low, entries once again not valid. Whoa, okay, we didn't even change the state. So hoping we get this 15-minute tap. That'd be kind of cool, whether it's SMT or Okay, in this 15 minute should be a 30 minute as well. No, okay, but we have this 30-minute change state that if we want to retrace into, unless we start moving down like right now. Okay, so we have a 1 minute entry possibly. Okay, so once again, it just wanted to sweep one more time, didn't it? Okay, so it might be another no entry unless there's a 30-second that I enjoy. Even then, you motherfucker, bro. So yeah, we'll see. Fucking hell, bro. Okay, we'll take this 3 minute. Technically, this is a fair value jab. Was hoping we didn't sweep one more time so that we would use this jab and then change state here, but 3 minutes is also valid. 10:30, so 37. Okay, so this dead split. 36, I mean. Did we sweep? Oh, we did. Damn, bro. Bro, it's so obvious where we want to go. Okay, this would have been an entry right here. This small ass inverse fair value gap liquidity sweep, change in state right here. If only we didn't have SMT at the internal low. So unlucky. Let's see if it even dumps again. Damn, bro. Such an obvious day, just no entries. Happens, who cares? Let's see if ES even took out that data. Yeah, so low key look for longs. Hold on now. If we get good momentum to the upside. Nah. Damn, bro. Ah, that hurts. Clear draw liquidity, whatever. Do analysis. Okay, considering we had just a crazy dump, probably gonna have some choppy price action, which is normal. But as for bias, if we have daily SMT here, then I would look for longs. But let's see if we do. Do we? Okay, yeah, we have SMT at this daily low, which I think is a weekly low. No, not a weekly. But yeah, good retracement to the downside. Definitely could be a sign of a healthy retracement and then move back up to all-time highs. Hoping ES catches up. As you can see, ES also has a bunch of equal highs on daily. So yeah, obvious, clear, bearish day. Couldn't find an entry, unlucky. But now we have a healthy pullback that we could use to go back to the upside to all-time highs. So just a matter of if we want to manipulate to downside, find a good trade, 30-minute internal low, see what we do. We are at open already. So we actually do have SMT, right? No, we don't. I lied. So yeah. Okay, pretty hard dump. So it might be another day we just dump. Okay, let me zoom out, see what do we have SMT, so we might just get rid of this SMT and then possibly have a turtle soup here. So go on the 4 hour, mark out the same lows. So we are okay, so we already have SMT on all of those, but it's just not okay. So I'm a little confused with drawn liquidity, but let's just hope SMTs, because technically these are SMT'd already, but they're so decorrelated in a way where it's not the same PD array. I don't know how to explain it, but we'll see. Okay, so kind of the move to the upside could be just manipulation to the upside to continue going lower. We'll see if we get any confirmation. Okay, so now we're touching this 30-minute, no, 15-minute. See if we could touch this. Okay, so see when it entry models. Okay, we have this jab. Okay, change the state right here. Okay, see we close below. Don't. Okay, so we manipulated one more time. I wouldn't be opposed to longs now. Good reaction. 10 a.m. Not creating any gaps. We have pretty much equal highs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see if we could get. So now we're retracing off. Hoping that's 3-minute SMT. No. Okay, we'll see what we get. We do have this KT model right here, but it's not really reacting off of anything. Unless there's SMT, which there isn't. So we'll see what we want to do. We're in this 30-minute. We're not in a 30-minute yet. We're in this 15-minute. So yeah. See, we did a 5-minute retest on a gap. Okay, 5-minute retest, but I think we're already at SMT. Yeah, we're SMT'd at this high, but I do think we pump still. 30-second. Okay, we have a clean 30-second. Let's see if this will work. Okay, closed above. Stop below the slow, hoping that this was a 5-minute turtle soup to the upside, and then yeah, just simply take out right here. Then break even. We'll find that as we go on. But yeah, clear equal highs. So yeah. Okay, entered. Break even would be this internal high. So let's see what it does. Okay, so probably gonna be a break-even trade. It's a pretty brutal candle, to be honest. Do I still think we go long? Yes, but gotta follow my rules. So, boom, break-even. Maybe we want to retrace one more time into a 15-minute, but we'll see what it wants to do. Entry wasn't the best, so okay, boom. Actually, I'm liking this even better. So we got 30-second. Okay. I was hoping there's 30-second inverse. Okay, so we have SMT, right? No SMT, okay. If we manipulate one more time to the downside. Okay, that's good. So much equal highs. I want this. I want this all. Okay, coming across this 2-minute BPR off this initial move up, which is also probably 50% of this initial move up. Yeah, so now we're in premium, tap perfectly, so now I'm gonna look for longs for sure. Okay, manipulated one more time. No way, why would you do that? Okay, so entry right here. I'm hoping we get entered, because this should be free liquidity. Yeah, I'll choose 75 points, that's 1 to 4. Place order. No. No. Okay, so I'm not in that trade actually. I should have deleted that, but went without us. Low key would have just been a break-even trade. I don't know when we'll take all this, but damn, bro. $15-minute gap, 30-second. I mean, we still have equal highs in a way. We can manipulate one more time to the downside. Okay. Because we don't have SMTs at those highs. So now we're reacting off. Should be 5-minute gap. Okay, see if we get this. Could be SMT, no SMT. Okay, so equal lows. See if we just sweep it one more time. No. But if we get a good close, 5-minute gaps, 5-minute volume imbalance, probably just, I want another retrace to the downside. I missed my entry. Okay. I'll just enter because I'm really confident that this will hit. But yeah, my entry would have been here. So we'll just mark it by stop loss right here. Another 1 to 2. Not the best reward, but yeah, low-key looking at it again, bro, doesn't even look good. But would have got edged on my stop loss. There is SMT, so we actually might find an actual trade that I won't miss out on. Why are these candles printing like this, bro? Okay, so 2 p.m. 4-hour open. I still want to go long. Equal lows. See, we just sweep these equal lows one more time. Okay, boom, SMT. Now we should make our move up. Bro, you serious? Now we should make our move up. This 1-minute entry model. Damn, bro. You're gonna leave those equal highs, ain't you? So now we're probably just gonna dump because we have this, all this right here. But 15-minute, hourly. Hello. Okay, so we get a 5-minute. We get a good change of state here. One more. Okay, I'm liking this. Patience is all you need in the market, bro. Can I? Hello? Okay, boom, right here. Where's the mark? Where's the? What is going on? Save. Okay, I guess my Wi-Fi is just. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, hello, FX replay. Okay, don't know what that was about. So let's see, we get entered on here. Okay, entered. Okay, nice reaction, beautiful reaction. Okay, as for break even, it would be honestly either hits or doesn't. Okay, great reaction. Do we have SMT? We do have SMT. Okay, so we have SMT at my TP, but what the oh, it worked twice? It worked 3 times? Yo! What the hell? So I guess I clicked it too many times, but it's just one trade. We do have SMTs at my TP, but for backtesting purposes, I don't care if it hits break even. It just mattered by my entries. On funded live, I would have taken out, but let's see if this hits. Boom. Boom. I don't know why. What is, okay, there we go. Boom. How many minutes are we at? We're at 34. Yeah, it was a little bit of a slow session. Another undefeated session. 2 W's. zero L's. A little bit more of a choppy price action because of all-time highs, but that's another undefeated session, bro. 2 W's, 0 L's. That's up 4.5 R. This model is serious, bro. If you have good, you know, if you can read the market well, bro, this model is perfectly for you. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Saturday for another session. And yeah, I'll see you boys later.